All right, this porch is so lovely, and it's so funny because when I first started coming here, you didn't have a whole lot out here.
I did not. But this is what happens. I can't find a spot to the porch. But I'm like, I can't keep doing that because I think I've run out of room. But you know, you always find room
For what you want.
So when I was doing the whole move around upstairs, this table was kind of in that little cubby hole right before the bathroom.
Okay.
And I had a chair under it and I don't know, some other thing. So it was in the hallway and I'm like, what am I gonna, I have ants coming. I cannot have that in the hallway. So all of a sudden it just came to me, oh, great, I can put this on top of it. So I'm home alone, which isn't good. So I went backwards down the stairs with the table because it came, but I was very careful. I took the drawer. I go, great, okay, the table's here. I had to take all this off. This was so heavy, and I was like, you shouldn't be doing this. But I did it because I wanted it to look nice. So this is what happened when you have stuff and you don't know where, it has to go someplace. So it comes on the porch, which this is fine. I don't know how long it will stay like this. So that meant changing this out and then moving that and moving this, but I'm kind of liking it. I got a couple of boxes I may have to part with, like this box and the box on the table where the lantern is. So I'm like, oh, maybe the boxes go to the store. I don't know. They might have to. Do I really need them? No.
No.
I don't really need them. They were just giving me some height. That's all. So I'm like, this is my tavern.
I know.
This would flip down for a table. So you could pull that out and have, 4 people here. You could have someone sit here. They got their own little table. You could do 4 people in front of the fake fireplace mantle, and 4 people over here. Move it. I mean, it's amazing how many people you could fit on this porch.
This tavern table was once a door.
It was.
Yep.
And then someone just made legs.
Right.
Which I normally buy everything old, but the price was right. It's such a good size.
I love that thing.
I think I need to buy it.
I love it.
And I have many chairs, so that wouldn't be a problem.
Right.
Setting up a real tavern.
Right.
And then I got this from Lainey.
Love it.
Again, I go, where am I putting this?
Yeah.
So I wanted it in the house in the kitchen, but it just wasn't going to work. I was going to have to move one on. It didn't work, but it works fine here.
Lainey has really aided our homes. Helped our homes a lot, hasn't she? She finds some great stuff.
Oh, she does. They're going to auctions all the time. They come up with some great pieces.
I know, they come home with great
pieces. And they have the vehicles to get the pieces home. That's the thing.
Yes.
And and her husband loves doing it.
I know, and it's a big deal to go find those things. I mean, you have to look for them. You have to get there early. You have to outbid everybody.
Or you do the auction, and you gotta travel to where the auction is.
Yes.
If it's not local.
It's a huge deal.
It's a lot.
So I love that we can just get some things, from them.
So should I tell them what I just bought?
You could do that.
Okay, so I bought a high boy. So high boy is like a chest on a chest on a stand, and I was watching the auction and I wanted the other one, but I didn't get it. But I go, that's okay. So when I went to pick up a couple other items, I looked at it and it looked better than the picture. It had a little damage on the drawer that was repaired, and apparently there were like little holes in it from beetles or bugs, but I don't know, the finish looked great. It looked great. Almost looks like it was grain painted. So I ended up getting it then for less money. So it worked out. So,
And where is it right now?
Right now it's in my car.
Exactly.
Because that's where things stay. So I'm like, I think it's going to be on this floor because it's very heavy.
Okay.
And I can't fit it in my bedroom, whereas I would want it there, then I would have to get rid of one of my bureaus. I don't want to do that. So it's going to be on this floor, the dining room or the drawing room. Don't know, but to be continued.
To be continued. I love this porch, Alice.
I know, it's so fun, isn't it?
It is so fun. And someday we're going to talk about floor cloths. Alice has actually put her floor cloths on the
your website.
on
Facebook.
On Facebook.
Yeah.
You guys, if you are on Facebook, come join us at Ann Clay the Primitive Home, the group. People post things there all the time, and we sometimes post things that have to do with our videos, and so Alice did put her floor clothes on there.
And if there's something you see that you want to see up close, I would just make a comment after the video, and I'll post it to your Facebook page.
To the Facebook page. Yeah. I know a lot of people don't like to be on Facebook, but you can go on Facebook and not have any friends and still come into the group.
Exactly.
You know, and then not get
exactly.
feed. Yeah.
Yeah. Because, you know, people post pictures and you get ideas.
Yeah.
And you look at all the beautiful homes that there are, and you're just like, wow, they did that. And that looks, I'm stealing that.
It's a good place for ideas.
Yeah.
There's a lot of good groups there, and I also like the natural elements in here. So
I do too.
I do.
Yeah,
I love it.
A little more primitive.
Yeah, and it fits for a porch, you know?
Yeah.
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 Yeah, I love it.
It may not look this way when you come here next.
I doubt it. I doubt it. Well, in the fall, it's going to look very fall.
But the highway will not be on the porch.
No.
I'm just telling you right now.
Nor will it be in your car.
No, I hope not.
So
I hope it's gone by then.
I hope so. So, guys, this is what we're going to do next time. And so make sure you subscribe, like if you like these videos, and we will see Alice and the rest of you soon.